Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have an unboxing for you guys. It's by Lookfantastic and it is their beauty chest. And here is their beauty chest right here. I really do love the packaging. And I'm going to keep this one because it's great for storage. Maybe use it as a gift box for Christmas, who knows, but I do like the packaging of this one. Now I do have to say that unfortunately this one did sell out like right when I got it yesterday. I looked online and it's sold out. Of course, 2 days before it was still available, but now it's sold out. But I'm still gonna do this video just for a reference for you guys. And I also ordered the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar, and that one still hasn't even shipped yet. And I don't think I'll be getting it until maybe the end of October. And that one is also sold out. I mean, it's good that they're selling out. That means people are buying things, but it's bad that if you see it and you wanted it, it's not there anymore. But it is what it is, unfortunately. But let's go ahead and talk about this beauty chest. And I would say that this is a lot better than what they did last year. Last year, I don't think I even got the beauty chest because I didn't like the products that were in there. When I saw this one, I thought, yeah, maybe I'll get this one. This one did cost $130 and I did have a $20 off coupon because I subscribed to their monthly beauty box. So this box was $110 US and you're getting products in here worth, let me look, $530 US. And there's 11 products in here and they claim that they are all full-size products. So 11 full-size products and they're worth $530. Okay. And you get a nice little chest with it too. All right, let me lift this up again and the top flap does come up and there is a drawer here too with more products. So, oops. And a card in here, which I really do appreciate. There is what it says on the inside lid there. Okay, I just read it now. It says 10 full-size premium beauty products inside. So where did I get 11 from? Okay, I'm gonna look at the card and there are 11 products in here. So I guess there are 11 products, but 10 of them are full-size. And let's go ahead and start with the things that are in the top part of this chest. And let's pull out this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. It's the eyeshadow palette 5. It's the big one, not the mini one. And let's see what shade this one is. I believe it's the 02. Let's look and see. Oh, of course it came broken. Of course. And these are pretty shades too. Oh, look at that. Yeah, they're broken. Let me see if I can try to DM them and let them know. And this one does cost $48 US. With 4 nude shades and a purple for added color, this eyeshadow palette is made with the highest quality hyperpigmented eyeshadows. Oh, well, that was not off to a good start, was it? All right, let's grab this one by Kevin Aquan. This is the Neo Blush, and let's hope this one didn't break. It comes in a real pretty packaging, and let me see what shade this is. This is in the shade Pink Sand, Soft Dusty Pink. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I like that. That one's got like a gradient effect in there. This highly pigmented blush has been developed with a gradient effect, allowing you to create a more supple or striking look, whatever the occasion. And this blush retails for $38. Okay, and it's not broken, which is good, good. Now let's grab this. Shows up in a lot of advent calendars and beauty boxes. It's the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this one has an SPF of 30. This one is 1 ounce of product in here, and I believe the full size is 1.7. So this one costs approximately $78. It has extracts of Pedina pavonica, I believe that's how you say it, and ginkgo biloba reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now we have this box right here by Neon, and I believe this is a candle. I've used one of their candles before and it smells very beautiful. And this is the De-Stress candle. Oh my god, that smells so good. Let's see what it says about the candle. With a burn time of 35 hours, that's good. This candle has the luxurious, comforting aroma of lavender, jasmine, and rosewood. And it's also produced from a blend of natural vegetable wax. Okay. Yes, I have gotten this candle before. And it does smell very good. You can smell the lavender and jasmine in here. And this candle costs $36.50. Now let's see what we got in here. It's by Eve Lom, and thankfully it's not the cleanser because the Eve Lom cleanser always shows up in these beauty boxes, but this one is a mask, the Rescue Mask. And this is a full-size product, and this one costs $85. It's infused with kaolin clay and ground almonds. Ooh, I like that. It works to decongest pores and revitalize tired, dull skin. And this mask does come with a little spatula, which is always great to have. You know, I can smell something like salicylic acid. So it's great to clear out those pores. All right, I think that's it for the top part of the chest. Now let's open up the drawer and see what's in here. There it is right there. Let me just put that on top. We have something that I already own. This is by Color Wow, and it's the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This one cost approximately $33, and let's read about that. Activated when exposed to heat, this spray works to compress and tighten hair strands for an ultra smooth, sleek finish. The Dream Coat spray, you get 7 fluid ounce in here. This is a spray, and I spray it on damp hair right before I dry it. And so far, it's working pretty good. I like it. Let's grab this, something by Espa, and it's the Pro Cleanser. This 3-in-1 facial cleanser harnesses the power of nature to cleanse your skin and bring a natural glow. This cleanser has moringa seed extract to remove stubborn makeup, and jojoba spheres offer gentle exfoliation. It also has pumpkin enzymes to remove the dead skin cells. All right. And with the cleanser, you get 3-point fluid ounce, 100 mils. And wow, this one costs $59 for a cleanser. Wow. Let's grab this bottle by Pay or Pie. And this is the Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil. This best-selling oil is packed with organic rosehip fruit and seed oil to deeply condition, restore balance, and regenerate your complexion without irritation. So it says it's best to use at night. And this oil costs $44. Let me see how much you get. 30 mils of product, 1 fluid ounce. Let's grab this one by Aurelia, and I do have one of their moisturizing creams, and I really do like it. And let's see what this one is. This is the Cell Repair Night Oil with neroli, lavender, rose, and mandarin. Oh, another night oil. So we got 2 overnight oils in here. Suitable for all skin types. This overnight treatment is rich in omegas 3, 6, and 9 to protect your skin against environmental aggressors, brighten dull complexions, and bring a dewy, more luminous appearance. And this one costs $57. And let's see, is it also 1 ounce? Yes, 1 ounce of product in here. And let's get this little box. It's by Origins. You know, I have never tried anything from Origins before, so that's good. Let's see what this is. This is the Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. Enriched with coffee beans for energy, ginseng for radiance, and magnolia extract to reduce puffiness. Let's see how many you get. Half an ounce in here, which is good for an eye cream. And this one costs $33. Let's see if it smells like coffee. No, I don't smell coffee, but it does smell good. All right, and the last product in here, it looks like something for the lips. It's by Iconic London, and yes, it's the Lip Plumping Glow. Is it lip gloss? I wonder. Let's look. Ooh, that is a pretty light pink there. This lightweight lip gloss gives the illusion of fuller lips and a more defined pout without feeling greasy or sticky. It says it's made with aloe vera and green coffee oil. Haven't heard of that one before, to nourish your lips. And this one costs $25. We do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products in here, and I'm guessing that this one by Elemis is not the full size. Everything else looks full size. The eyeshadow palette, the blush, the candle, Dream Coat. I don't know if this eye cream is not full size, but usually eye cream you don't need that much, so it's usually a half ounce. That's not bad if the only thing that's not full size is this one by Elemis. Okay, jumping back in here because I was reading this card, and on this card it does say that it has 11 full-size products, but the lid does say 10. So I'm going to go with the 11 full-size products, even though the Elemis one is not full-size because the full size is 1.6 or 1.7 ounce. This is 1 ounce, but it's still not a bad deal. But yeah, I just want to mention it that on this card it does say 11 full-size products, but on the lid it says 10. Well, all right, these are the products that are in this year's Lookfantastic Beauty Chest, and yeah, I'm kind of happy with it. Not happy that it already sold out, but I'm kind of happy with the product, except for this one. I forgot the eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. It's broken. I think I'm going to email them and hopefully they can send me a replacement. If not, what am I gonna do? Alright, you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.